Well, the American economy, more signs that it is absolutely on fire, and a tremendous amount of momentum that continues. Meanwhile, Walmart posted their results, earnings beat, revenue, and on the bottom line, a strong rebound in e-commerce, 33% increase there in the U.S. This, of course, after a disappointing e-commerce number sent that stock to one of its worst sessions ever 3 months ago. And despite a 5-year growth spurt, household debt, according to the New York Fed, has been growing slow relative to early periods. And the U.S. housing sector, well, that continues its recovery. In fact, it's looked great ever since the global credit crisis began 10 years ago. Helping me to understand it all right now, Veronica Dagher, Wall Street Journal columnist and host of the Wall Street Journal's Secrets of Wealthy Women podcast, along with Hitha Herzog, Chief Research Officer for 8 Squared Research, also a retail analyst. Hitha, let me start with you. Walmart, you're very close to the company. You follow it very well. Still a proxy, I think, for the U.S. economy, particularly the heartland. Were you happy with that result?
I'm extremely happy with it, but it's really interesting. It seems to me that they're shifting their strategy a little bit. And what I mean by that is they have been acquiring higher-end stores, Bonobos, Moose Jaw, ModCloth, to try to take market share away from that Amazon customer, so that they're moving a little bit away from that lower-income customer that would only buy groceries, and now what they're trying to do is get that higher-end customer to buy something more than just groceries.
On groceries, by the way, I saw that they're doing very well in private label. I guess that this is good for them. They don't have to necessarily share the profits with these big brand name guys. Right. And online, this omni-channel strategy that you talk about looks like it might be working. More and more stores participating in that online program. The
CEO of Walmart has really, that is his main strategy. He's really tried to build out that digital strategy. And you had mentioned it earlier, their digital sales have gone up 33%. They just announced yesterday that they are rolling out this Lord & Taylor store within a store with a couple SKUs that Lord & Taylor have online and then in this store within a store, again, to target that higher end consumer. It's all about digital for them.
Veronica, I thought this number, this data from the New York Fed was fascinating. Household debt is going up, but it's very manageable. Delinquencies are going down. Credit scores are getting better. The problem, though, is, and a couple things that stood out to me on the great side, bankruptcies, consumer bankruptcies are at an all-time low, but people requesting or trying to get credit also at an all-time low. What's going on?
I think the credit market is getting tighter. Good about the bankruptcies, good about people saving and not racking up credit card debt. Sounds like they've learned something from 2008. One thing that's really interesting, though, and this is anecdotal, but I'm hearing from a lot of financial advisors, they're having trouble getting new business. Insofar as that people have money sitting around waiting to invest, but they're hesitant to pull the trigger. They're not sure they want to get into this market because they're not sure where it's going. There's still a lot of uncertainty geopolitically. So people, I think, have the firepower. They're just waiting to pull that trigger. I hope they don't wait too long.
Yeah, Hitha, there's a double-edged sword. We obviously want to see people saving money. We want to see a certain kind of cautious consumer, but the consumer is 2/3 of the economy.
Right, exactly. And consumer spending is obviously a harbinger of how the economy is doing overall. I think really people are saving a little, and to your point, I think the credit market has tightened, but I still think that people are spending. Year over year, I've been looking at these numbers. They're getting better, especially with a company like Walmart, but these big box stores.
I find it fascinating. I know people started using debit right during the Great Recession, but the lowest amount of credit inquiries ever. Another fascinating piece of data out today. The U.S. birth rate now at the lowest level since 1987. Veronica, I know there's a lot of factors, and I hear, well, millennials are saddled with debt and that kind of things. But by the same token, if you ever look at the jobs numbers, the millennials, college grads, have the lowest unemployment rate and the highest job labor participation rate. Is there something else going on here, maybe?
You know, some people might argue that there's this whole policy of getting women in the workforce because of pay gap, but also because of some of the policies related to having a kid. So when you do have a kid, it's really expensive. You don't get a whole lot of time off. And so I think some young women are saying, hey, I've got this school debt. Hey, I have a career I want to focus on. Is it really worth me having a child? I have other goals, and my work situation doesn't necessarily allow me to do that.
New dynamics from just 20, 30 years ago, Hitha?
I think so. I think there's also medical advances that are allowing younger women to wait longer. I see advertisements all the time for things to freeze your eggs, and you can wait longer and
Right.
focus on your career. So I think medical advances really have something to do with that as
Right.
well.
Thank you both very, very much appreciated.